guys, I thought I would do a vlog again today. I am making some French toast this morning. Sometimes I love to make a big breakfast, and when I do, when I do make a big breakfast, it is, usually we start school later, but that's okay, because today we don't have anything that we have to be ready for until 3, so I thought that would actually work out great. And my son had requested some French toast. So you're supposed to vacuum the bathroom. So anyways, they're working on chores. They only have one today, so it's not very much. And then I'm just finishing up, and my daughter is banging on something and singing. So I thought I would bring you guys along with me today as we go and do a couple of things out and about, and then what we're going to do for school. And I thought I would try something new for school today just to kind of mix up our routine. We started back the first week of January, I guess we did. So we've been doing the same kind of routine we were doing last semester with a few minor tweaks. But I had thought it would be fun to do like a rotation. So I'm going to try, whoops, sorry. That was my phone if you heard it. I'm going to try and do a math app rotation, a piano rotation, like piano lesson rotation, and then I'm not sure what the third one will be or if I'll need one today, because with my 3 kids, my youngest being 4, I really don't think that I'm going to need something for her. She could just like play Starfall or whatever. So my plan is to take 15 minutes and do piano lesson with my oldest son. They don't take piano lessons at this point because honestly they've never really expressed a huge interest, and I didn't want to fight them on practicing. And I know basics of piano. I took piano lessons for years, so I'm like, I could teach them something. So anyways, this last week, for whatever reason, they really got into piano. They love it, and they have been playing all weekend, which really makes me wish that I had a keyboard where they could plug in headphones. I don't, but that's okay. So I thought I would go ahead and, kind of play into that and hopefully continue with them for piano lessons this week. So both my 6-year-old and my 8-year-old really have expressed a huge interest. So I'm going to try and work in that rotation. So I'll work with one of them for 15 minutes, and the other one will play this new math app I got on my phone. So I'll tell you guys if it's any good or not. It was 99 cents, so it wasn't free. But it looked really good, and it looked like something my 6-year-old, my kindergartner, could do. So anyways, that is that for right now. All right, we are doing geography, and Natalia is eating hers already. No, don't eat them. We have candy hearts. Ancient yes, we do. What does this one say? Can you read it? Oh, it's kind of off the side. What does it say? You and me. Oh, that's kind of, yeah. It has some, that's an ampersand. Okay, so we are going to put a piece of candy on each of the places for this week. So first we have Ancient Ghana. Can you find Ancient Ghana? It's this orange right here.
Completely covers it.
There you go. And then we have Ancient Mali. And Ancient Mali, it's kind of underneath, but we're going to put it over here.
There's only 3.
Yep. And then we have Ancient Songhai, which is this light area. Put it right there. Oh, is your Lego lady doing it? And then we have Fez.
Oh. Wait.
Fez is up here, city.
It's impossible to do it.
And Tangier is right above it.
Oh, well, this covers all.
It covers both of them, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That's okay.
You literally just put one on.
All right, good job. Now we'll eat them as we take it off. Take off Ancient Ghana.
Help.
This one. No, not that one. This one. Oh, you need help? You did it. You silly. Okay, eat Ancient Ghana. Then eat Ancient Mali. Yep. Good job. You getting them, Roman?
Mm-hmm.
And then you can eat Fez. Ooh.
And Tangier.
Good job, Titus.
And Tangier.
And Tangier. Yeah, you just had one for that because I think you ate one. You don't have to eat them all at the same time. And then Ancient Songhai. Can you get it? Right here. Boop, boop. Good job.
I like sucking on them.
You like sucking on them?
Mm-hmm.
right, so that's our geography.
turning
Over the calendar day. Good job. Here's Natalia, kind of doing her daily learning notebook, but more scribbles. Today's the 25th. It's right there. Can you get that? Oh, she's just pretending today. Roman is going to start his daily learning notebook, right? Yeah. I think he's over there drawing.
He's in
All right, we're reading the Hullabaloo ABC by Beverly Cleary, which I really like that author. So we are going to read that book. My daughter and I are, while my boys should be working on their daily learning notebook. Go, go. Go sit down.
I told you I want to watch
All right.
the video. No, not
Okay, so A for aha, I see you. B for boo, we see you too. C for cock-a-doodle-doo, the roosters crow. Clatter down the steps, come on, let's go. D for ding-dong, ring this bell. Drum on the wash tub, yell down the well.
Everybody's together and we're reading.
This is what it ends up being. Reading a book and everybody comes over and listens to the book.
Yep.
Respect means offering the very first cookie to your grandmother. Okay, we are done with lunch. We just finished up and we are going to go downstairs and finish up a little bit of school. We didn't get that done. We do have basketball later today and it is snowing outside actually right now. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not, but yeah, it is snowing. So I don't know if we're actually gonna go because it is really icy too. Doesn't really look that bad, but it is kind of coming down. So anyways, that's what we're going to do today. Hopefully go to basketball. And then, yeah, that's really all we have to get out for. But I do like when we have something like that to go out to because it kind of keeps us on track for our school day. We started really late today. It's already 12:15. So we ate lunch. My oldest is about halfway done with his school. And my younger one just has a couple more things to do. So anyways, we are going to continue on and see what we get done before we go. All right, we're going to do Logic of English, and I will say a word, and when you know the word, shout it and act it out. Ready? J, p. Okay, you got to shout it.
Jump!
Good job. Okay,
Jump.
ready? Next word. S, p, I, n. Shout it out.
Spin.
Good job. Whoa. Okay, so we have his workbook out, and I am going to say a word. I'm going to segment it, and when you know it, you say the word and you color the picture. Okay, are you ready? First word. K, a, t. Good job, and you can color it. Okay, next word. P, I, g. Good
That's a
job.
girl.
Roman's doing his math.
And he's up.
And Titus is supposed to be doing his presentation, but he's MIA. So Roman's finishing up math, and then we're going to move on to our Shirley English. And, oh, there's Titus. Hello.
And my talk quiet.
Oh, you might talk quiet. Yeah.
Sorry,
He has to color a picture for his, we're doing Wednesday nights this, oh, nice. We're doing Wednesday nights this semester, is what I'm trying to say. Anyways, this is what Roman has left to do, and I kind of changed up his schedule, except I printed an extra 2 there. Whoops.
Huh?
Yeah, I printed an extra 2. What's not supposed to be there? Anyways, so this is what he's done so far. He still needs to do his spelling and typing on the computer.
2 million
and then,
2016?
yeah. And then we're going to do our Shirley English together. And then he needs to read for a little bit. He could probably do that on the way to basketball. And then we'll do his presentation prep he usually does with his daddy on Monday nights. And then, again, Memory Master. We have about a half an hour or 25 minutes in the car on the way to basketball. So we'll probably do this Memory Master review then as well. Well, guys, our basketball got canceled. We don't have basketball today because it is snowing like crazy and it's icy. So we're home and we're gonna go play in the snow. The boys are outside throwing snowballs at us, aren't they? Natalia's out for a little bit earlier, but... Ah! Oh my goodness. Good thing it's on my windows, or my list to clean windows tomorrow. Or the dining room sliding glass door window. Are they getting you? So while the kids are out playing, I am going to try and finish up some chores. I do sheets on Monday. I wash sheets. So I'm going to remake beds and do that fun stuff. And then I have a few towels I need to also fold and put away. So anyways, the snow is really pretty. It's coming down and it's getting really kind of deep actually. So yeah, we've been enjoying it. Camera shy?
Yes.
Are you camera shy? We're having some hot cocoa after the kids played out in the snow. Hey. Yeah, lots of snow.
Throw hot cocoa.
No. And it's still coming down. It's very pretty. Very pretty. Okay guys, so since we didn't have basketball today, I had a little extra time, so I decided to print out this really, really cute hygiene page for my preschooler. I follow Tot School, I believe that's her name on Instagram, and she had this cute idea up, and she actually has a Pinterest page. I'll link her Instagram and Pinterest board below. Anyway, she just has really cute themes, and of course this week was hygiene, and so I decided that I would print this out and laminate it for my daughter, and then you just take a dry erase marker and kind of make her teeth gross. And I just tied some yarn. I actually punched a couple holes. I think that's what the Tot School gal did too. And then you just put germs on her hands, and then she's eating breakfast, so she has crumbs all over, so you're just gonna clean her up. So Natalia, can you brush her teeth? I just got an old toothbrush. Can you scrub that off? Scrub it.
Harder.
Scrub. Good job. And Titus is excited to try it after Natalia's done. Okay. Brush your hair, make it nice and neat. I just have like a little My Little Pony brush. I didn't want something with too many teeth in it. Beautiful. Now she needs to wash her hands, doesn't she? Oh, good job. I just got a little cotton ball. You could use paper towel or something too. And then, uh-oh, she ate breakfast and made a mess. Can you clean her up? Good job!
Let's do it again!
Okay, so Roman is playing Legos, and we're going to do history review. That is his choice for Memory Master review. So, tell me about Commandments 1 through 5. Okay. Tell me about Commandments 1 through 5.
Thou shalt have no other gods before me, not make unto thee any graven image, not take the name of the Lord thy God in vain. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. Honor thy father and mother, that thy days may be long upon while I am the Lord thy God giveth thee.
Okay, tell me about commandments 6 through 10.
Thou shalt not kill, not commit adultery, not steal, not bear false witness against thy neighbor, not covet.
Okay, tell me about the Greek and Roman gods.
Zeus, Jupiter, Hera, Juno, Ares, Mars, Aphrodite, Venus, Artemis, Diana, Hermes, Mercury. This is history.
Tell me about the 7 wonders of the ancient world.
7 wonders of the ancient world are the Great Pyramids, Hanging Gardens, Temple of Artemis, the statue of Zeus, the mausoleum, Pharaoh's Lighthouse, Colossus, and others.
Okay, guys, we are just fixing supper, and I have meatballs, and I have pie crusts. I'm going to try and do meatball calzones.
Would you like a makeup?
Oh, little girl put makeup on herself. Yeah, and I gave her some of my old makeup. It's really light.
Makeup.
You want to make me over?
Yeah.
Ooh, that sounds like fun.
Come to me.
Okay, just a minute. Oh, this is my junk pile over here. I can't ever keep that corner clean. Anyways, what do you need?
Can you help me get my gloves on?
All right, I'll be right back. Okay, this was the meatball calzone. It was not all that great, unfortunately, but that's all right. My kids loved it, but my husband and I didn't. Did you like the calzone?
Yes.